For the first time ever now, we know that there's over 500,000 families with energy accounts in arrears. These figures show that there's more than 319,000 families who can't pay their electricity bills and 183,000 families who can't pay their gas bills. And these figures only tell part of the story, Minister. They don't include households who silently disconnect because they can't afford to top up a pay-as-you-go meter. For those living alone, for families with young children, these choices they have real consequences on health, on well-being and on quality of life. And yet, while record numbers of households are not able to pay for their basic energy needs, we see energy companies have once again announced that they're going to hike up energy costs. At a time when many families are already trying to keep pace with rising costs, energy bills are set to rise again. Last week, the biggest energy supplier in this state, Electric Ireland, announced sharp increases, and there wasn't a peep out of you in Cabinet or from Government. So my question to you is, will you act now? Will you listen? Will you provide energy credits as an immediate solution for people who are really struggling? And what is your answer to the hundreds of thousands of families that are facing mounting energy costs and financial strain?
We are acting now at a record level right now in the economy, supporting people at the fuel pumps, supporting people through electricity reductions in VAT rates. We are supporting people right across the economy to ensure that they are not cut off. Minister O'Brien has met with all the energy companies and given the government an assurance that anyone who works with energy companies in relation to their bill, they will be supported. And I would say quite critically that you have brought forward a number of measures that you said you costed at $100 million a month that you would bring forward at the start of this energy crisis. The government is doing much more than that. And critically what you do, you say the government is doing nothing this side of the border, but stand the other side of the border and you actually are doing nothing. So we are acting in a record level. We're supporting families and we will continue to do that through the National Affordability Task Force, looking at energy affordability, looking at protecting consumers and looking at energy policy. And we always have acted in the past and will continue to do so and to protect the most vulnerable in society.